The Welsh Government has been working on how it believes a variety of issues relating to public health should be addressed here in Wales, and it has presented the changes it would like to make in a proposed draft law, the Public Health Wales Bill. We, the National Assembly for Wales's Health and Social Care Committee, have been tasked with scrutinising the Public Health Bill. We are seeking your views to assist us in deciding whether this bill should become law, and to make sure that, if it is to become law, it is made to the highest standards. For the full explanation of our work on this bill, you'll need to take a look at the Assembly's website. But to summarise, this bill proposes changes to the law in areas like banning the use of e-cigarettes in enclosed public and workplaces in Wales, introducing a licensing system for people carrying out acupuncture, electrolysis, body piercing and tattooing, prohibiting the intimate piercing of anyone under the age of 16 in Wales, preparing a local toilets strategy for each area. You'll find the bill and all of its supporting documents are available on our website. You can also find links to all the meetings at which the bill is considered. Follow us at Senedd Health for the latest news on the bill. You can participate by sending your views on the bill by email, Twitter, or by completing our survey, and you will need to do so by the 4th of September. Again, all information is on our webpage. Details of the consultation is available from our consultations webpage. We look forward to hearing from you.